Tuesday. I usually do this every day, a few times a day, depending on the weather. And let me flip you guys around. As I was saying, we tend to do this every day, a few times a day. Hi, how? We love just being out here in nature, and Howard loves exploring all the flowers and the scents. And I usually listen to like a podcast or an audiobook while I'm here, or sometimes just silence. Sometimes you just need just a break. So here we go on our little adventure. Howie, 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 Howie. Howard! You gonna come? Ooh, sky. Happy Tuesday. I am here. It is going to be a low-key day. It is raining outside, so indoor day. I've got the incense and the essential oils going. I have the Olympic highlights on in the background, and I am going to be sitting down and working all day on classwork. I have taken the interior design certification at the Interior Design Institute, and I am super excited. I'm trying my best to excel this process, and hopefully will complete the course by the end of October, beginning of November, before we leave for our big trip. My sister and I are going on a huge trip to Kenya, Tanzania, Turkey, France, and then we hop in Iceland on the way home, but we're not leaving the airport. It's just going to be a little touchdown and then get on another plane, but it is going to be so fun. I'm super excited, and I will definitely be bringing you guys along for that. So before I dive into all of my classwork, I just wanted to hop on here and say hi and give you an update, and I hope all is well. Hey, it's so beautiful. I'm out for my post-dinner walk. Oh, here comes a little crazy one. My sister is riding her horse. There's planes always flying above. The airport's just over there, the small airport that is. And yeah, just taking in, I'm listening to The Power of Now, and this is actually the first time I've actually read/listened to this book. I actually tried reading it last year and I just couldn't get into it, but I'm enjoying listening to it. And yeah, just enjoying the evening.